What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Rio, man. And today it's gonna be a point of view in my car this afternoon. It is that date, that time, Central Time. It's been a few days, almost a week, since I dropped another video. Before I get any further, if you like the content, or even if you don't like the content, that's cool too. Like, comment, subscribe. Right now I'm currently, which is, it's humbling, man. It's real life humbling, excuse me, that, you know, the beginning of this year, I only had 7 subscribers. And before, well, how can I word this? So even before I had got the YouTube thing going, these last 7 months, I only had 7 subscribers since 2016. And just me, what word I can say? Just me becoming more fearless of the YouTube thing, you know, and I just, you know, gained some guts. I ended up going crazy. With the YouTube thing, and I ended up getting 38 subscribers. And to me, that's something. But I'm aiming way higher. You know, most high willing, by the end of this year I'll reach 100 subscribers. But it'll be all up to me to continue the consistency, and also with y'all as well. You know, the individuals who genuinely support me, mess with the channel. I'm still finding my niche, but at the same time, I'm not in a rush. I'm still enjoying it while I'm making these, you know, videos, not only for myself but for y'all, you know. So anyway, with that out the way, I guess this could be a little bit of story time. So I had caught this baby right here, June or July of 2020, you know, during the pandemic, when the world was going through it. And you know, before I had this one, I had a Kia Optima 2013 push start. You know what I'm saying? Heated seats, you know. And it was time for a new one, so I ended up copping this baby right here. You know, her and I been through the mud, and I'm talking about like through the mud, man. So I may tell that story one day, I don't know, but at the same time probably not, because ain't nobody business. But yeah, man, I do have a car in mind that I do want next, and I will get it next. You know, I'm just working on credit, you know, working on, you know what I'm saying, just getting the chicken bag up. You know, that'll come soon, you know what I'm saying. But today is a beautiful day here in the Loop, St. Louis, home of Nelly, home of Sexy Red, home of Cedric the Entertainer, Red Fox, the late great Miss Tina Turner, Chuck Berry. Man, the list goes on. Yeah, the list goes on. You know, I can name a few, but at the same time I can't. Yeah, man, home of me. You know, I've been living here pretty much my whole life. When I was younger, I lived in San Diego, I believe, for like 2 years. And then, you know, we came back to St. Louis, and I've been born and raised ever since. But don't regret it. I've met a lot of genuine people. Met people that I ain't gonna. I met some people I wish I never met, but at the same time, you know, that's life. It is what it is. Met people that I wish that could have stayed, but you know, a real man has to take accountability and responsibility for his actions, and any individual, but you know, in my case, you know, of his actions, and just accept that, hey, you know, things happen for a reason, and as long as you learn from it, you continue to do better if you want better. And I sure as hell wanted better, so hey. But yeah, I'm on this road, on the highway, you know, I have a lot of things that I need to do. I've been procrastinating for the past week, and I don't know if y'all know this, but they say that procrastination is the abortion of ideas, and I can say that it's true. Word. You know what I'm saying? Word. Yeah, man. Yeah, got some track hops. Yeah, tell me turn that blast off, girl. Oh yeah. Oh, another thing too. Only a few people know. A few people. Only a few people know, man. I got something cooking up, man, and it's something I have been talking about for years. But was procrastinating on that. Didn't know the tools. As a matter of fact, I did know the tools. Let me not word it that way. I did know the tools, but I just didn't know how to obtain it. But by the grace of the Most High, universe, whatever, it was presented to me, and I just said, you know what? This is the opportunity right here. I need to seize it, and I did. So day by day, step by step, I take it upon myself to, you know, go on YouTube University, and I would recommend you, I recommend you to go on to YouTube University, because it's free $99, and look up, find out what, you know, that you're passionate about doing, or something that you are interested on doing, and seize it, man. I don't care who you are, man or woman, you know what I mean? Like, it does not come easy, man. Too many people in this world have a lot on their plate to begin with, and I don't care if it's your parents, your homies, your homegirls, whoever, grandparents. They all have their own problems, and the ones who genuinely love you, respect you, you know, who want the best for you, they'll do what they can. But at the end of the day, it's all up to you. And once I realized that, and don't get me wrong, not a lot, but oftentimes I have to check myself so that I have that in mind, you know. It helps me to come back to reality, like, hey, especially me just being a man, you know, especially just me being a man, you know what I'm saying. I just had to realize that, you know, and like, I have to be a go-getter. I need to be a go-getter. No one's gonna do it for me. Nobody. And I proved that. I've proven that to myself from last year to this year, you know, and sometimes you have to, you know, give yourself a pat on the back, you know. Too many of us do too much of dimming lights because we don't want to be looked at as cocky, or we don't want to be looked at as however motherfuckers would think of you. But at the same time, man, pat yourself on the back. You know, you did it. You said you was gonna do it, and you did it. No matter how long it took, you did it. So, you know, be proud of yourself, man. Do your best to not look for validation. Validate yourself, man. You're important. You know what I'm saying? Your words are your words of information. No, affirmation. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, man. But anyway, y'all get what I'm saying. That's more important, you know. But yeah, I'm finna head to this dealership real quick, and I'm gonna holler back at y'all in a minute. Yeah. What's the word? Look, just came back from the dealership, man. Unfortunately, they did not have the car that I wanted, but hey, I expected as much. But it won't hurt unless you try, you know. But yeah, I'm finna head to another dealership. You know, I got my people who work at this next dealership. Holla at him, see what's up with him real quick. Yeah. Pulling up, we get busy. Pulling up, we get busy. Pulling out, we get busy. Guess I'm around sound, I get tizzy. I got your she on the way, busy. But pull up on me, drain my not my deal. Not my deal. If my brother get locked inside his bell, got his inside his gym, I got his bell. Can't tell the real from the fake, I wish you well. That song already was turned, but here's a bell. Everything I know is rich as hell. I pull up, hey, business there. We not bossery, we not can no head, no sim I am. I cut that green next to him. But when I pull up and yeah, real. Pull up now, we get busy. Pull up now, we get busy. Pull up now, we get busy. Guess I rise out, I get tizzy. I got Toasty on the way. Hey. Papa, I'm out of town. Bentley, I want money. Oh, Bentley, I want money. Oh, Bentley, I want money. I want Bentley, I want my money. I want something from me. Nothing but the money. But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all after I leave this other dealership real quick. I'm gonna see it right here if you booked your ride. But I clap. I'll be back, y'all.